since from 12 to 20 years, I have not spoken a single word. I mean, only the basic things I used to speak, like bring the chalk and open your books and close your bag, shut the door, open the window, put on the fan. These were the small chunks which I was speaking, I was using with my students.
Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Very good afternoon. How are you?
Yes, I'm doing great. Thank you. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also absolutely fine, doing great. No complaints till now.
Oh, that's nice to hear. Okay, so how was your day today? Like,
It was,
did you do anything special?
yeah, actually, I am a teacher. Right now, I'm in school. So it
Okay.
was quite hectic day for me.
Mm-hmm.
There were 3 periods, and by 2:30 I was free. So I decided to make some conversation videos because I think from 10 to 15 days I have not uploaded any video on my channel. So I
Okay.
decided today that in the school itself I will record some of the videos. So
Okay, that's nice.
can tell me about
Okay.
yourself, Pooja?
Yes.
I will do my introduction. So my name
Mm-hmm.
is Aarti Chobe. I am a government teacher and teaching to high secondary classes, class 11, 12. And
Okay.
I'm teaching English. Yeah, I'm teaching English to them. And I was born and brought up in Bhopal. My education was also, I completed my education there itself. So yeah, I was born and brought up in Bhopal. And
Mm-hmm.
I got education from convent school. But I got married in a village. So
Mm-hmm.
there, and I got selected as a government teacher. So that too was in village. My school was in village. So
Mm-hmm.
I didn't got anyone to talk in English. So my English is going on. You know, the fluency is day by day it is decreasing. So last year I just created this channel so that I can upload such conversation videos and I will get the opportunity to talk with different people
Mm-hmm.
from different profession, and in this way I can improve my speaking skill. So this
Yeah,
is all
that's
about.
nice. Yeah, it's really nice. Okay, let me introduce myself as well. My name is Tanuja, and I'm also from Bhopal city. If I'll talk about my education, so I have completed my engineering in IT stream, and currently I'm a working professional in one of the software company. And simultaneously, I'm also running my YouTube for last 2 years. Yeah, that's all about me.
Okay, so you are software engineer in Bhopal itself.
No, my work location is in Noida, but I'm currently working from home, so that's why I'm in my hometown.
Okay, okay. So in Bhopal, where do you live?
I'm in Piplani side.
Okay, earlier also we were also living there in Piplani,
Okay.
D2D sector near Balaji Temple. In
I
front
have
of
heard.
Balaji Temple, yeah, there was my house, and my father is in BHL. Was
Okay.
in BHL. Right now he is not no more. So
Mhm.
yeah, we spent a lot of time there. Till class 11th, I was there,
Okay.
and I studied in Radhakrishnan Girls Higher Secondary School also, class 11th and 12th.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, I have already heard so many things.
Okay, so now tell me
So
why.
currently, where are you?
Currently, I am in Narsingar, which is
Nothing.
85 kilometer away from Bhopal, and it is
Okay.
a city town place, you can say, small place. But it is
Mm-hmm.
very beautiful, and it is called as mini Kashmir of Malwa. Natural beauty is, it's bountiful of natural beauty we are having.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah,
I didn't get chance to visit there. If I'll get, so definitely I will go there.
definitely you should visit it during the rainy season. It
Mm-hmm.
becomes very beautiful.
Okay. Yeah, if I'll get chance, so definitely I will visit.
Most welcome. So
Okay.
why you are learning this language, Tanuja?
Okay, so as I mentioned that I am working in IT company, so here it's necessary to speak in English language. So I was very bad in this language when I had started my job, and I was struggling a lot with talking with native speakers, and I'm working with like foreign clients and customers. So you can understand that their English is
Of
superb,
course.
and I was struggling a lot to be honest. So I decided, like in workplace, I can't do this kind of practice. So I decided I
Yes.
should focus on my communication and I should find some way so that I can improve myself. And my confidence was also very low that time. So I just thought if I'll connect with other people like strangers, so definitely I can build my confidence too, and I can improve my communication as well.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. The English is, we can learn only by speaking it. And earlier we will speak, definitely that we will speak wrong, but we should not bother about it. We should keep on speaking. And one day with lots of practice and good efforts, definitely we can become a very fluent speaker. And right now you are also speaking very good. It's not, it doesn't seem that you have learned this language. It seems that it is known to you from your childhood. So this
Not really,
language is
because
very beautiful. And nowadays, it is no more you can say foreign language. It has become a global language, and all the people in the world, at least they can understand English. They can speak English wherever we go, and it is very necessary for our future also. The students, those who are studying, at least
Mhm.
so that they may not lack in their interviews, and they must learn this language. It is very mandatory nowadays.
Yes, yes, absolutely. When I was doing my engineering, so that time I never focused on speaking part. I was just thinking that yes, like time is passing, so what is the need of learning this language like
Mhm.
this? And when I was giving interviews, that time I got rejected in many interviews just because of
Yes,
communication skills. So that
yes.
time only I realized that I should focus on my communication. But that time I had no idea like where to start, and I had no
Yes.
resources also. So how to start actually? But now I have seen that most of the people already aware, and they are practicing it for like from the beginning itself. And some of the parents also, they are sending their kids in a very good school like English medium also. If I'll talk about me, so I have completed my schooling in government schools. So that
Oh.
time I never got this chance to speak in English
Hmm.
language.
In government school, there is no such facilities. If the teacher, for example, in my school, if I talk in English or if I explain the whole chapter in English, then the students, they will revolt that no, ma'am, please tell us in Hindi. We can't understand this much English. So even the simple English they can't understand. So this is the
Yes,
condition of our government schools, that the students, first of all, they are not getting any atmosphere of listening, because to
exactly.
speak this
Mhm.
language, listening is very much important.
Mhm.
The more you listen, the more you become confident, and then you can speak it. Only by listening practice, it becomes easy for us to speak, because then we can get many ideas, many words, and then gradually our vocabulary becomes strong, and then we can start speaking. But
Yes,
until
yes.
and unless we are not listening, we can't speak this language.
Yeah, exactly. And I think in government schools, some of the students are from like rural area as well. They don't belong to very like affluent families and like this. So they, if they will learn these things in school also, but after all they will not get that kind of chance in their surrounding, like in their families also. But
Yes,
in
yes.
our case, like if somebody is going to a reputed schools like this, so their parents is also educated, and they are just focusing on their children's also. So that's why in the initial days they are getting this kind of listening, speaking, and everything.
Yes, those who are in corporate sectors, the parents, their children are very good from the right from the childhood, because they get the atmosphere in their home also, and they are learning in such private schools, where there is almost English everywhere. Teacher, they are compelled to talk in English only. But the time when we studied, when I was in Radhakrishnan Girls Higher Secondary School, at that time, teachers were not at all speaking English. Only a little bit of English they are speaking. But when I was in convent school, Saint Joseph Convent School, Irga Hills, at that time the English was very compulsory. And if
Yes.
you don't speak in English, you have to fine. You have to deposit fine for it. You can't speak even a word in Hindi. So from there, my English, it got a spark, but it got ignited there. But during my job and during my with my in-laws, all my English has gone broken. And then
Yeah, you were not in touch with this language, so that's
yes, yes, that's why it got deteriorating day by day. But now, as soon as I started practicing this language again, it become uh, means it become very easy for me. because it was there somewhere in my subconscious mind. It's not like that I was a beginner right from the childhood. I was not aware of this language. I was speaking this language, but it has, since from 12 to 20 years, I have not spoken a single word. I mean, only the basic things I used to speak, like bring the chalk and open your books and close your bag, shut the door, open the window, put on the fan. These were the small chunks which I was speaking, I was using with my students. But, continuously talking for 10 to 12 minutes was impossible for me. But now, gradually it gained because of my practice, and now I'm very much satisfied with myself that I have started giving speeches also in the school. I give speech in English only, because if you understand or not, but I have to maintain my English, so I will give in speech in English only.
Yeah, that's a good idea actually, because we should utilize all the opportunities that we are getting to
Opportunity.
speak.
Yes,
To
yes.
speak,
Otherwise,
yeah.
when we will speak? Yes, yes.
So that's the good idea
Tanu-
actually.
Tanuja, it's I love talking with you, but right now it is a compulsion that I had to attend the period. So
Okay, okay,
definitely
sure.
we will connect again if the time permits us. Okay.
Sure. Thank you, ma'am.
Take,
Thank you so much.
take
Bye
care.
bye. Yeah.
Bye.